giveaway. So I don't know if you had seen my first Q&A video right here, but I mentioned that I was gonna be doing another really amazing wig giveaway. So here we go, and get ready for pure excitement. So I am so excited to share with you this type of wig giveaway that I'm gonna be doing, and this falls into the mission of my channel of empowering and inspiring women and helping people feel amazing. This wig giveaway will be just a little different, and I know you will absolutely love it because it includes you nominating someone very special in your life that you feel deserves a MissCarly wig. So what I'd like all of you to do is either email me or send me your message on Instagram, however you want to reach out to me. I want to hear someone in your life who deserves a wig from me. This contest isn't just for women nominating other women. This, of course, is for men and gentlemen and my cross-dressers and my queens. I absolutely want to hear the people in your lives that you really feel deserve a wig, or maybe have been wanting a wig, or maybe are suffering from a hair loss or cancer, or just going through a really bad time in their life. I would love to surprise send them a wig and let them know that someone special to them had nominated them for an amazing wig. For the entry details for this wig giveaway, I need all of the entries in all of my stories by June 10th, 2019. From there, I'm gonna collect all of them, read them, love them, and then I'm gonna choose. Now this part I'm kind of up in the air because I really don't know what kind of stories I'm gonna get, and I have a lot of wigs, so I'm thinking maybe 10 to 15 wigs that I'm gonna give away, or maybe it will be more. What'll happen is if I nominate you, I will reach out to you, and then you're gonna send me the address of the person, and then I'm gonna send the wig to them with a lovely card anonymously telling them that they were nominated from someone very special in their lives because they deserve an amazing surprise present. So let me know what you all think about this, and get thinking about the amazing people in your life, or maybe someone who's having a tough time, someone who's going through something very difficult, has hair loss, is going through cancer. I want to know. So let's all empower each other every single day of our lives to be as fabulous, empowered, and amazing as we possibly can be. So all the details are down below, and I appreciate each and every single one of you. I so do, and I want to thank you